August and early September are generally the peak periods for wildfires across the western states. During this time of year, what can you do to protect your home from wildfires? According to the National Fire Protection Association, you can take the following steps to make your home safer. Clean roofs and gutters of dead leaves, debris, and the pine needles that could catch embers. Replace or repair any loose or missing shingles or roof tiles to prevent ember penetration. Clean debris from exterior vents and install 1/8-inch metal mesh screening to keep embers from entering the house. Repair or replace broken windows and loose window screens. Remove anything stored underneath decks or porches. Create fuel breaks with driveways, walkways, paths, patios, and decks. Keep lawns and native grasses mowed to a height of 4 inches. Prune trees up to 6 to 10 feet from the ground. Don't let shorter trees exceed 1/3 of the overall tree height. Trees and shrubs in the yard should be apart to break up the continuity of the vegetation across the landscape. Tree placement should be planned to ensure the mature canopy is no closer than 10 feet to the edge of the house. Hopefully, these tips will keep you and your family safe. Take care.